and take a look at the 2017 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's Motorsports Performance Division and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, adaptive headlights, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, side and top view cameras, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.